टीवी एक्ट्रेस ऐश्वर्या शर्मा ने अपने और हस्बैंड नील भट्ट के डिवोर्स बज़ के बीच शेयर किया एक क्रिप्टिक पोस्ट. Aishwarya Sharma slams trolls for false stories about her amid divorce buzz. Well, Aishwarya Sharma and Neil Bhatt have been in the limelight for their alleged divorce. और अब कुछ हफ्तों बाद the actress has for the first time directly addressed all the trolls. Well, आपको बता दें, ऐश्वर्या और नील भट्ट have been in the limelight since their appearance on the show गुम है किसी के प्यार में. ऐश्वर्या ने उस सीरियल में पत्रलेखा का किरदार निभाया था और नील बने थे विराट चौहान. वेल, इसी के बाद ये कपल नजर आया बिग बॉस 17 में. इनके लड़ाई झगड़े तो बहुत ज्यादा सुर्खियों में रहे. साथ साथ नील भट्ट और ऐश्वर्या अपने प्यार की वजह से भी बिग बॉस 17 में चर्चा का विषय बने रहे. However, what started as their on-set romance and turned into a beautiful wedding has now been causing waves online amid alleged divorce rumors. Well, Aishwarya received immense criticism in the past months and now she has finally broken her silence on the same. Aishwarya further claimed that whatever the reports have been saying about her has never happened. She added that she only stayed silent because every time she tried to speak, people twisted what she said and used her name for their views. She added that people will do it again. However, her silence does not mean she's wrong. It means she chooses not to feed negativity. Well, ऐसी भी खबरें आई थी कि ऐश्वर्या's husband Neil was accused of cheating as he was spotted in Mumbai. एक वायरल क्लिप में Neil was with a girl and fans began speculating whether he was cheating on his wife. However, their eagle-eyed fans confirmed that the girl was the duo's mutual friend. The girl was later identified as Kinjal Dhamicha, who also works in television. She is known for her role as Siddhi Gokarna in the television serial Bawra Dil. वेल, कुछ दिनों से नील भट्ट भी ऐश्वर्या की इंस्टाग्राम फीड से मिसिंग है और दोनों ने अभी तक इस बात पर कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं दिया है. और अब ऐश्वर्या ने एक स्टेटस शेयर किया है ऑन सोशल मीडिया व्हिच रीड्स, "People are making their own assumptions about my life, what I have done and who I am, without knowing a single fact. Some are even saying karma is a bitch. Before believing any of that, ask the people who actually worked with me. Ask my co-actors, ask my producers, ask anyone from my set if I ever bullied, disrespected or harmed anyone. Not even once. Only one thing I did was maintain my professionalism on set. Ever since I got engaged, I am the one who has been getting trolled non-stop and I took it with smile on my face. But nobody talks about that. Nobody says that I am the one being bullied. Why is that invisible to everyone? On top of that, random people keep sending me messages and YouTube links where my name is attached to false stories and that I bullied someone, that I slapped someone, that I misbehaved. None of this ever happened. I stayed silent because every time I speak, people twist it and use my name for views, and they will do it again. But silence does not mean I'm wrong. It just means I refuse to feed negativity. So let me say this clearly, I've never bullied anyone in my life. People spreading lies for profit should really think about their own karma. You talk about mental health, but think before saying anything wrong about someone you don't even know personally. Some people choose to stay quiet, that includes me, but silence does not mean you can say whatever you want. I will take my own stand and protect my own dignity. Well, looks like ऐश्वर्या शर्मा एक ही बार ट्रोल्स को करारा जवाब देना चाहती हैं और उन्हें भी ऐसा लगा कि ट्रोल्स ने उनके पेशेंस को टेस्ट कर लिया है. Well, अभी भी उन्होंने ओपनली अपने और हस्बैंड नील भट्ट के डिवोर्स रूमर्स पर कोई बड़ा स्टेटमेंट नहीं दिया है, लेकिन हाँ, उनका ये इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी अपने ट्रोलर्स को जवाब देने के लिए काफी है.